type of problem. Okay. So to solve the problem, let's first note what parameters are given to us. So here we have the diameter of the pulley and the rotation of the pulley in RPM. So let if diameter is D, then this is given as 600 mm, and RPM. So if n is the RPM and the present RPM, so it is 200 RPM. The coefficient of friction between the belt and the pulley. So let this mu is given as 0.25. Angle of lap, that is theta. So this is 160 degree, and maximum tension in the belt. So this is T1, the maximum tension on the tight side. So let it be 2000 dV, it is given. So it is 2500 Newton. So this is the given data. Then what we have to find out? So find the power transmitted. So we have to find out the power. That is power is equal to what? ये find out करना है, ठीक है? Once so given data क्या निकालना है? That is okay. Now what relations we have regarding this belt drive? ठीक है? So the relations are here. So we know one thing is the ratio of belt tension. So T1 upon T2 is equal to e to the power mu theta. So this is one relation we have. Another real relation is so in this relation mu is given, theta is given, so this quantity is known to us, and T1 is also known. So T1 is there, 2500. So from this relation we can find out T2. So this is one relation. Now we have to find out the power. So what is the relation for power? So the power is, this is equal to power, excuse me, So power relation for the power is the difference of the two tension multiplied by the velocity. So T1 minus T2 into V. So this expression requires for the calculation of the power to have the value of T1 and the T2 and V. Okay. Then the relation between T1 T2 is this, and the relation for V is, since we have diameter and the RPM, so we can find out the velocity is pi dn by 6t. Okay, so this we can find out. And what more relation we have? We don't need here the length of the belt, so we don't write the relation. I think these relations are sufficient to find out this power transmitted. Okay. So next is, let's calculate. We require T1, we require T2, we require V. So T1 is given directly 2500, so we'll use that. And for the T2, we'll use this relation. So let's calculate T2. So T1 is 2500 Newton. T2 we have to calculate is equal to e to the power mu. Mu is 0.25 and theta is 160 degrees. So it is in radian. 160 into pi by 180. So this comes out. So let's calculate this. Let's calculate 0.25 multiplied by 160 multiplied by so it is coming 2500 divided by T2, that is equal to e to the power 0.698, or this T2 is equal to 2500 divided by e to the power 0.698, that is in Newton. Since T1 is in Newton. Now this we have to find out. Let's calculate this. Tell me the answer. e to the power 0.698 की वैल्यू क्या आ रही मुझे बता दें.
Sir, 2.0097.
2.009. Okay, so 2500 divided by 2.009 Newton. So this T2 is equal to 2500.
1244
1244
newtons.
1244 Newton. So it is 1244.40 Newton. Okay, so this is T2. So here we have T1, we have T2. Now calculate this V. Okay. So remember, if power watt में आएगी, so here V will be in meter per second आना चाहिए. So for that you have to convert D, since D is given in mm, 600 mm. So it should be converted to meter. So now calculate V. So V is equal to pi into D, that is 600 mm by 1000 मीटर में कन्वर्ट किया. into 200 rpm divided by 60. So that will be meter per second. So this is equal to just confirm the value. क्या आएगी? It is coming out 31.4 meter per second. Just cross check this value. Always cross check. If the value is correct, then calculate power is 2500 minus 1244.40 multiplied by 31.4. So that power is in watt. So that is equal to 2500 minus 1244.40 multiplied by 31.4. So 39425. It's coming out 39425.84 watt.
सर वेलोसिटी कुछ और आ रही है.
यस सर 2 पाई आएगी वेलोसिटी की वैल्यू.
मैंने इसलिए बोला था क्रॉस चेक कर लो. आई थिंक
6.283.
6.283 है.
यस सर.
ओके. Got it. Yes, 6.1. So that's why I said always cross check the values. There might be calculation mistake. It is 6.28 meter per second. So here 6.28. So this is not the value of 2500 minus 1244.40 multiplied by 6.28. So it is 7885. 7885.1617 watt or 7.88 kilowatt. That is. So this is the answer. Okay, so it is simple problem. Okay, move करें next problem पे. चलो next problem. So this is next problem. Simple problem है. First, what is given? So let's write solution. So first is given data. So given data is a casting weighing 9 kilonewton hangs freely from a rope. Okay. So this is the weight of the casting, 9 kilonewton, and the rope, which makes 2.5 tons around a drum of 300 mm diameter. So let drum diameter is D. So that is 300 mm. RPM 20 RPM, N is 20. And what about theta? The other end of the pulley is pulled by a man. ठीक है. दूसरे एंड पे ये पुली है ये वेट है इसका और एक बंदा खींच रहा है उसको, ठीक है, आराम से। The other end of the pulley is pulled by men, ठीक है. The coefficient of friction is 0.25. So this is given. Now relations, yeah, what to find? Number one, the force required by the men. That is the force required by the men and the power to raise the casting. So ठीक है, अभी हम इसको ऐसा कर लेते हैं, मान लेते हैं रिलेशंस. Then write the relations. What relations we have? ठीक है. So one is T1 upon T2 is equal to e to the power mu theta. Power is equal to T1 minus T2 into V, and V is equal to pi dn by 60. Okay. So mu is given. What about theta?
सर 5 पाई.
Yes, theta will be 5 pi क्योंकि 2.5 टर्न्स है, ठीक है, तो 2.5 टर्न्स है, इसलिए थीटा की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 5 पाई. ठीक है, सो थीटा इज नोन. एंड व्हाट अबाउट T1 T2? T1 T2 में से एक वैल्यू हमें नोन होनी चाहिए, तभी हम इसको सॉल्व कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज V इज गिवन. सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट जो दिया है पहले उसकी बात करें, डायरेक्टली जो दिया है उसकी बात करें ना, नॉट इनडायरेक्टली, डायरेक्टली जो दिया है. सो डायरेक्टली जो दिया है, D दिया है, N दिया है, सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट V. सो पहले सबसे पहले लेट्स डू कि V कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. सो इट इज पाई इंटू D 300 है, इन 20 RPM है, अपॉन में 60 इंटू 1000, दैट इज mm को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, ताकि मीटर पर सेकंड में आ जाए. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू, कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं इसको. Just cross check the value, huh? So velocity is this. Zero 0.314 मीटर पर सेकंड की.
Yes, sir.
देन ये रेशो भी हम निकाल सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी हैव द म्यू एंड वी हैव थीटा. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू म्यू इज 0.25 into 5 pi. कितना आ रहा है?
सर 50.70
क्या चीज?
सर रेशियो
50 पॉइंट?
सर आई एम रीचेकिंग
रीचेक
50.75.
50.75।
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर मेरा भी 50.70 आया था
कुछ गड़बड़ है। एक टर्न में 360, दो टर्न में भी 360, दैट इज 720, और फिर हाफ टर्न 180, 180, 500, 900, 900 डिग्री, 900 590। Yes, 15.7 is okay. तो रेशो कितना? 50 कि 15?
सर 50
50.70.
70
Okay. So this ratio is this. Now, what about T1 and T2? T1 and T2 इसमें से कुछ हमें नोन हो सकता है क्या?
सर T1 T2 में से वेट किसको लेना है?
ना ना, वेट नहीं, देखो ये वेट है, ठीक है, दिस इज द वेट ऑफ द कास्टिंग, और इसको एक मेन, जो मेन है ना, वो पुल कर रहा है। सो यही हमारी टेंशन हो जाएगी टाइट साइड, ठीक है, क्योंकि इतना ही फोर्स लगा रहा है आदमी उसको हैंग हुए तो अदर एंड से, ठीक है। सो जो पहला वाला पार्ट था कि डिटरमाइन द फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड बाय द मैन, सो दैट इज द 9 किलो न्यूटन, और दिस इज द मैक्सिमम टेंशन जो होगी रोप में, बेल्ट, ठीक है। सो T1 इज 9000 न्यूटन, ओके। सो T1 इज 9000 न्यूटन। नाउ कैलकुलेट दिस T2 निकाल लेते हैं। सो दिस इज 9000 डिवाइडेड बाय 50.70 न्यूटन। सो T2 निकालो एंड देन कैलकुलेट द पावर, और फिर बताओ कितना आ रहा है। 50.719,000. T2, let's calculate T2, 9,000. Just cross check the value T2 and power.
Sir,
हाँ,
sir 2770.27 आ रही है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सभी की
और सर T2 भी 177.5 है.
T2 कितना है?
177.5.
ठीक है, इट्स ओके. And velocity?
Pi by 10.
0.314.
It's okay. 314 is okay, meter per second. So both these values are correct. Now it is 277. Yes. There is some calculation. 2770.27 watt. ठीक है. Okay. So this is okay. So दो चीजें कैलकुलेट करनी थी. One is the force required. The force required is 9,000 Newton, and the power to raise the casting is 277.27 watt. In the next problem, let's do this next problem also. इसको भी करो. So two pulleys are given, 450 mm diameter and the other 200 mm diameter are on a parallel shaft. Okay, so this is say D1 is 450 mm, D2 is 200 mm, and the center distance, say C is the center distance, so it is 1.95 meter apart. Cross belt is used. Okay, so cross belt drive system. So one thing, find the length of the belt required and the angle of contact between the belt and the pulley. So we have to find out this length of the belt. Sorry, दिया तो बाद में निकालना है, वो हम बाद में रखेंगे, ठीक है। इसको भी हटा देते हैं यहाँ से। Find the length of the belt required and the angle of contact between the belt and each pulley. ठीक है, each pulley. What power can be transmitted by the belt when the larger pulley rotates at 200 rpm? So N1 is 200 revolution per minute, and this is given maximum possible tension in the belt 1 kilonewton. This is 1000 Newton. Okay, and another one is mu 0.25. That's it. So this is given. To calculate, number one, length of the belt drive, ठीक है, angle of contact between the belt and the each pulley, so theta 1, theta 2, okay. Then what power can be transmitted by the belt? So power transmitted, ठीक है। Relations, here. So one relation is T1 upon T2 is equal to e to the power mu theta. Power transmitted is T1 minus T2 into V. V is equal to pi dn by 60. Okay. If there is no slip in the belt, so V1 is pi d1 n1 by 60 and V2 is equal to pi d2 n2 by 60. So दोनों equal होगा यदि slip नहीं है। So this is then the length of the cross belt drive. So length of the cross belt drive, length of the cross belt LC, cross belt. So that relation is क्या relation है? So that is pi into R1 plus R2 plus 2 times center distance plus R1 plus R2 का square divided by center distance. So this is the relation. ओके, ये रिलेशन जब निकाली थी हमने। एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस एंगल θ1 और θ2 निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? सो दैट इज क्रॉस बेल्ट ड्राइव है, एक छोटी है और एक बड़ी पुली है। ओके, सो दिस इज अ स्मॉलर पुली. This is larger pulley. Cross belt है. So this is the case. यहाँ से like this ऐसे होगा. तो यहाँ पे ये कॉन्टेक्ट है, यहाँ पे ये कॉन्टेक्ट. So this is the angle. This is the angle. Say this angle is beta. Beta हमने बोला था. So beta here and beta here. And this और angle of जो lap होगा, angle of contact is this angle. Angle of contact is this. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक ये angle है. This is theta 2. Okay. This is θ2. और यहाँ पर ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. So this is the total angle of contact. ये रहा θ1 and θ2 are there. So this beta, this is also beta. So this is related with the radius of the pulley, and that is your distance, center distance के साथ में relation है. So I will show you. Let it be. This is the arrangement. Here. Let me share the figure. So this is the figure. Yeah. This is open belt drive system. Yeah, C. This is C, and this angle is beta. Here it is represented by alpha, and center distance is represented by x. So this is for the case of open belt, and this is for the case of cross belt. The cross belt. So this is our θ2, and this is our θ1. So angle of contact or angle of lap is this. क्योंकि कितना हो जाएगा, since this is यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक बात करें तो this is 180. तो 180 plus this angle and plus this angle. So this is alpha or beta. या तो बीटा का ही अल्फा, हमने वहाँ पे बीटा यूज किया, तो this is beta, this is beta. So beta plus beta is 2 beta, and this is 180. So 180 plus 2 beta, 180 plus 2 beta. So और रेडियन में लिखेंगे पाई बाय 180. So this is the angle of contact on the left. Here also इस पुली पे भी देखो क्रॉस बेल्ट में यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक दिस इज 180 और दिस एंगल प्लस दिस एंगल. सो 180 प्लस 2 बीटा हम यूज करेंगे यहाँ पर. कहाँ गए हम? ठीक है. So θ1 is 180 plus 2 beta into pi by 180 radians में in radian, and θ2 is also 180 plus 2 beta into pi by 180 radian. Okay, and this is the relation. Now, find out the beta. Okay, so beta is given as beta is sine inverse r1 plus r2 divided by center distance. To calculate that. So क्या बोला हमने कि this beta is sine inverse r1 plus r2 divided by c. ये है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर θ1 इक्वल टू θ2 जो है वो आ जाएगा। तो theta is equal to θ1 is equal to θ2. So tell me the value of theta. Next time. First calculate the length of the bed. पहले तो हमें length निकालना है, then contact angle निकालना है, and then we have to determine the power. जल्दी से फटाफट से कर लो because we don't have time. So let's find out LC. So this length of the cross belt is equal to pi, and that is R1. R1 is D1 by 2. D1 is 450. So this is 450 by 2 plus 200 by 2 plus 2 into that is 1.95. So 1.95 that is in meter. और ये mm में लिया है. So you can find out the length in meter also. So convert this. तो इस पूरे को 1000 से हम divide कर देंगे तो we'll have in meter. Okay, so this is in meter plus R1 plus R2. So this is 0.40 by 2 plus 0.402 by 2 meter में हो गया, and it will be 0.2 divided by 2. So calculate कर लेते हैं फटाफट से. So 0.45 बंद हो गया. 0.450 divided by 2 plus 0.2 divided by 0.325. So pi into 0.325 plus 2 into 1.95. So 2 into 1.95, that is 3.9. 3.9 plus, oh sorry, यहाँ पे C भी आएगा 1.95. तो ऊपर ये जो है दिस इज 0.325 का स्क्वायर है. 0.325 का स्क्वायर ये हो जाएगा 0.1056 divided by 1.95. So that is equal to 5 into this now. This is divided by 1.95. ये वाली जो वैल्यू है दिस इज कमिंग आउट 0.05416 प्लस 3.9 प्लस ये आ जाएगा that is equal to 1.0205. Yeah, when we add up this plus 3.9 plus 0.05416, so it is coming out 4.97 मीटर. या मोर प्रिसाइसली यदि हम बात करें तो 4.97466 मीटर ये वैल्यू है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ द बेल्ट. देन बीटा, सो बीटा इज इक्वल टू 0.325 R1 प्लस R2 का सम. साइन इनवर्स आएगा यार, या साइन बीटा is equal to 0.325 divided by 1.95. So beta is equal to sine inverse of this. So 0.325 divided by 1.95. This is sine inverse of 0.166. इसका साइन इनवर्स लेना है. So it is beta is coming out 9.59 degree. 9.59 degree. Okay. This is beta. So theta is equal to 180 degree plus 2 beta. So 2 into 9.59. That is equal to 9.59 plus 180. 199.18. 199.18 डिग्री में, रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो इट विल बी कन्वर्ट. So it is 3.47. 3.474 radian. Okay. So this is theta, and T1, T2. So we find out V velocity. So V1 is equal to pi d1 n1 by 60. So that is equal to 0.450 into 2.14 into n1 is what? 200 rpm. So that is 200 divided by 60. So it is 4.71 meter per second velocity. So this is, there is no slip in the belt. So V1 is equal to V2. So ये हमारी V हो गई. So velocity is 4.71 meter per second. What about so velocity is known for power calculation. V is there. So we have to find out T1 and T2. So T1, what about T1? T1 is 1000 Newton. So find out T2. So T2 is equal to T1 upon e to the power mu theta. So that is equal to T1 is 1000. So this is equal to 1000 divided by e into mu, e to the power mu into theta. Theta in radian is 3.744. So just tell me कि रेशो कितना आ रहा है. It's 0.2. 0.
सर थीटा थोड़ा चेंज आ रहा है.
थीटा चेंज आ रहा है.
3.47 आ रहा है.
3.47 आ रहा है क्या? आई डोंट नो यार, और कोई चेक कर लो प्लीज, जो भी है. प्लीज चेक करके बता दो।
सर 3.477 ही है।
3.477.
यस सर।
Change this 3.477 रेडियन। डिग्री में ओके?
सर रेडियन में।
हाँ ठीक है, 3.477 इट्स ओके। सो it is 3.4. Let me rub this. 3.477. So it will also change slightly. 0.25 into 3.477. No, 4.46. So it will be acha, 3.466. 46. 3.46. Yes. Newton. So inverse 223.98 Newton. This is the tension T2. Then power will be 1000 minus 223.98. Values cross check कर लेना, just multiplied by 4.71 meter per second. So this will be in watt. That is equal to 3655.02 watt. This is the answer. Just cross check the value.
सर T2 419.28 आ रहा है।
T2 is coming out T1 upon T2 का रेशो कितना आ रहा है?
सर
Wrongly calculated.
2.387।
Yes, some calculation mistake is done by me. So this ratio is not 3.46, na?
नो सर
2.38.
Yes. So this will also change, and this will also change. So this will also change. And that's why मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि चेक करो ये 2.38.
38.
सर 2.38।
2.38, and this will be 419.
यस सर।
420.
Okay, 419, 420. It's okay. Newton. So this is say 419 हमने रखा. So power will be 1000 minus 419 into 4.71. 2736.51. Okay.
यस सर।
So this is okay. Now for power maximum power transmission, I will share you the document. It's a very simple derivation. So you read that, and then उसके बाद में आप इसके problem और solve कर लेना. But this is how you have to solve the problem. ठीक है? This is the procedure. मुझे ये procedure ठीक लगता है. क्या दिया है वो नोट किया, क्या निकालना है वो नोट किया, और क्या रिलेशन है हमारे पास में, तो फिर 1 by 1 उसको निकालते जाओ. ठीक है? So now do one thing. Chat box में write your roll number and name, please. Because I think I don't have time. I have taken extra 10 minutes. So quickly.
सर
हाँ,
सर MST2 में सर लास्ट वाला टॉपिक ही आएगा ना, बेल्ट वाला, फ्रिक्शन इन बेल्ट।
हमने फर्स्ट टेस्ट के बाद में क्या पढ़ा था?
सर सिर्फ बेल्ट वाला ही हुआ है अभी।
हाँ, ये वाला और प्लस जो लोड वाल्स हमने
Clutches.
पढ़ा होगा उसके बाद।
यस सर।